Good morning from Greece. I'm here, I made it. I've been in Uzbekistan for a while, but I arrived yesterday and I just want to show you guys around because it is drop dead stunning, absolutely stunning. This might actually be one of my favorite places in the entire world. The hotel that I'm at is on a big cliff and overlooks this beautiful bay. Last night's sunset was phenomenal, it was insane, and then they had live music right underneath where I am, so I slept with these big doors open, getting in some of the beautiful fresh Greek air and some of the live sounds. That was really nice too. I'm actually teaching at a yoga conference here beginning of next year, so I want to show you guys around to give you an insight into what it will be like for you. There's 6 yoga shalas here and they're planning on booking out the whole hotel full of people and yogis, and it'll just be yoga, meditation, prana, breath work, yoga nidras, everything that you can think of that would be zen and wonderful. So it'll be like a yogi's playhouse, which is pretty exciting. I'm just about to go out to do my morning yoga, but before I did, I wanted to show you guys the view because it is crazy pretty. So this is it without light. Like the sun hasn't quite risen yet. It's about to, but not yet. Isn't that insane? And then every time you look out this way, it's all foggy and you can't actually see into the distance, and it feels like we're literally just away from the rest of the world and no one else exists. It's just you, the sound of the sea, and me. So this right here is one of the yoga spaces that they have. Isn't it stunning? You can hear the ocean, you can hear the morning roosters, there's plants hanging from the ceilings. And this is your view. Sun's about to rise, just out there. This is stunning. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? And this is Yoga Shala number 2. This one's called Namaste. Oh. Wow. Breathtaking. So this is the biggest shala. And you're about to see why. It holds like, I don't know, maybe easily 100 yogis, probably more. And that view. Down the end, they have, what do they call that? Pole dancing poles. Aerial yoga. Yoga wheels, all the props. So I'm assuming there's going to be some people in here this morning doing their practice a little later because there's 3 yoga retreats here at the moment. But before they do, I'm going to get my yoga spin on. Too sure how to get in there, but there is also a gym. Isn't this stunning? Look at that. Wow. 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 I think I might sit up here and do a little meditation for a while. Yoga Studio 3. Hey! Good morning! Fancy seeing you here. Welcome! This is beautiful.
Isn't it? It's called ELYSIA, Shala, the blessed home.
And this is Miriam's home. Literally. Oh wow.
nice juice.
Yes. Okay, so it's now midday. I'm going to go down to the beach and explore around the town a little bit because I haven't been down there yet. Got my bikinis on and I'm ready to explore. So after breakfast, I just came back up here and did some work, but it was very brief and I don't want to be inside anymore. So I'm just going to head on down there. And then I think later in the day, Miriam, who's the yoga teacher here, she and I are going to go out on a boat, on a little dinghy, and explore around a little bit, maybe go cliff jumping or something. I don't really know, we'll figure it out. Yep, that's my view. Yep, I'm going to go get down there. Got to work on my tan. Wow, what a view. Isn't that crazy? Ah! By the way, guys, I'm going to be teaching at the yoga convention here. It's going to be called the ELYSIA Yoga Convention at this resort at the beginning of next year, end of March, start of April. So if you're free, you can use this code here and it'll give you 10% off. But I don't want it to sound like a promo thing. Like I literally just, this place is insane and I feel like everyone needs to experience it at least once in their lifetime. Like the view that I have right here is just phenomenal. And you can be doing yoga alongside me and 30 other yoga teachers from all around the world. We're all going to come together just for yoga, meditation, yoga nidras, all things Zen and sun. And this is the little town. How cute. So I just got back from the boat and then was walking around the town and found this little place called Falafel, and I've been told that they do some kind of good vegan and gluten-free stuff, so I'm here to try it out and see what I can get.
Don't mind if I do. If I knew that this came with that much hummus, I wouldn't have ordered a side of hummus. Whoops.
Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Hey! Someone wants to be Aussie. Yay. Like, it's so lovely. Yeah. We've got some more people coming in. That's the ferry coming in. Isn't it insanely beautiful? Sunset here is just lovely. There's always too much.
Oh, it's too much.
You can't get it all.
Always getting everything. Yeah. Yeah, you can't get it all.
Or you can, but then
Yeah.
it falls off your plate.
For
So that's kind of what there is to do here at Aegialis. There is the beach, there's the cute little town, there's sunbaking, there's literally just sitting and meditating and soaking up all the amazing energy that's around you. There's so many nice people that work here. All the people that work here are beautiful and they all just want to like have a chat, and it's really nice. There's all these little cats around that you can go and play with, go make friends with people in town, go to the beach, pool, spa, boating. There's pretty much everything that you could want to do here, you can do. So I'm really excited to come back, and I hope that you guys, after seeing this, want to come and join me too, because honestly, it's going to be so much fun, and I just want to share this place with someone. Being here at the moment alone, I'm just like, why is no one here that I can grab and be like, look, because it's all so cool. But yeah, that's kind of it. So thanks for watching. I'll put the link in the description below so that you guys can swipe up, have a look, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you can come and play with me at the end of March and beginning of April next year.